So guys, I'm going to show you how to connect the AirTag to your iPhone. This works for any of them, the AirTag 2 or the AirTag 1. So first there's going to be some plastic here, you're just going to pull it out. It's going to hear a sound. What you can do next is just hold it close to your iPhone. So if it's not working guys, what you want to do first is lock your screen. Unlock it. So if it's still not working, go into your settings. Press on General. Press on Software Update. Let's go and update to the newest iOS. So if it's still not working, go into Settings, press on Bluetooth. Turn this on. Yep, so then you should see it. Press Connect. So then choose what you want to connect to. Just for example, put on my backpack. Press Continue. So it's going to be linked to your Apple account. Press Agree. So you can press on View and Find My App or Done. So to find your AirTag, you're going to search for Find My. Press on Items. So you should see it. For me it says Adam's Backpack. Go and press it. Press on Play Sound. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped out.